welcome back to another video of mine. Yeah, I know I'm looking freaking ridiculous right now, but let's just ignore that. Anyways, as you can see from the name of the title, we're going to be doing a makeup haul. Now, these products are products that I've gotten slowly but surely ever since I was away from YouTube. Now, this video is not whatsoever for you to think that I'm trying to brag to your face that, oh, you have that. No, that's not the case whatsoever. This video is just more where you can be more informed whether you should spend your money or you should save your money, and to give you a little bit of tips on what you can buy yourself instead. I'm going to get started with showing you guys something that I purchased again, which is the Shade and Light palette. And I already had the palette. It's this one. They did change it. I think I prefer, honestly, I think I like this one versus this one, because I mean, I like how it looks, honestly, because it does suck that it fades off from the cover since it is cardboard. This one is more plastic. If I'm not mistaken, you are able to change the refills on these, and also the mirror seems pretty different to my opinion. On this one you can bend it and it's perfect, although I only use these two shades. These shades, I use them once in a while, but I definitely hit pan on these two. This retails for, oh, I don't even remember. I'm gonna leave a little price thingy right there, but this is a very good palette. I also purchased the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit, and I think this one is the medium Titania, and it's brand new. It looks dirty, but I have not used it. The one that I always go to, my everyday contour, is the HUDA by Benefit. That one's my to-go-to. But I definitely bought all these stuff like to try out, to show you guys, to give you guys a review of what I feel about each product. So I'm going to definitely be doing those type of tutorials. So yeah, this one comes with 6 shades. One of them it's somewhat glittery. The other ones are pretty much all bronzers, except this one. I guess it will be for the under. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know where would I put this one. It looks like it would be for an under eye. Now, if we put it to compare to the Shade and Light palette, let's look at this one. The Shade and Light palette comes with 6 shades as well. I would say it's a very translucent. This one would be very good for anybody who's very light skinned. This one is a banana type of color. This camera is not doing any justice whatsoever to it. Let me see. Yeah, so this one's more of a banana color. It's very good for people who are more tan. It gives you that perfect under eye look. It's not too white, so when you take pictures, you're not gonna look too ghosty and you're not gonna have that flashback hitting you so hard. The next shade is a little bit more pink toned. I don't think I would wear that one because that would only make me look more pink. And then we have our 3 contouring shades, and this one's more ashy. That one's just in the middle, and this one is a little bit more deep ashy brownish, I would say, in my opinion. This one's very light but still gives you that ashy tone. This one's warm, just in the middle, to my opinion. And then this one's a darker, but it's still in the ashy tone. Another product from Anastasia Beverly Hills, I bought this lip palette, which I was trying to use it for when the whole Halloween thing came around. I have not had the time to try these, but I'm very excited because it has like everything. You can mix shades. So this is how it looks. They're so beautiful. And it comes with the brush, and it comes with 18 shades. You have your primary colors, You have all these other shades that you can play with. Another product that I did buy from Anastasia Beverly Hills, the Prism palette. And you guys, this is actually going to be a very good one because I did buy, I'm about to show you guys. So this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, the Prism. It's black and it has gold. It feels, it's a velvet. It's still like the modern renaissance, the subculture. When you open it up, what you see, it comes with a mirror. It comes with a little plastic thing. It comes with another brush, which this is like my third brush. And then we have all of our colors. It has a bit of greens, but then it has its like a few natural ones that you can honestly use. Like that one can be for natural, that one can be natural, that one can be natural, you know. And then you have your bright colors that you can incorporate to your eye look and just give it that extra glam. I have for you guys here the Hush brand, which I'm going to be doing you guys a review, so you guys stay tuned to that. And this one is from Hush. I think I got it for $12 or $10. It's called Bad Habit Aurora. Yeah, whatever. I don't know how to say it, so skip. Okay, let's just look at the packaging. It feels very, very soft. That's pretty much what I can say. And if we look at this one and this one, they look identical. Yes, they're scattered around differently, but for the most part, they have the exact same shades. I will be doing a review for you guys, so if you guys do not have money to pay $32, it was on sale whenever I got it. I got it for $32. Right now, I think the regular price is $42. You can always go and get the Hush brand. I know it sucks that you're taking credit from the original brand, but let's be real. Not everybody has money and not everybody can afford it. So why not go for the cheap one? We are going to be trying this out in another video, so you guys can see if there is pigment, if it looks the same, if there's still the same richness, everything that has to do with this and comparison. I will be giving you guys the tea, so you guys better keep an eye on that video. But for the most part, it's the exact same shade. They are a little bit different, but they look very, very similar. For our next one, since I heard so many bad reviews for the subculture, I did not want to spend money, honestly, on that palette. So I had to get myself the Hush brand. It's only $10, so I'm not, from saving myself 30 something dollars, I rather buy myself this. It has the same shades of colors, exact same shades, and honestly, I saw a review on this. The pigmentation was just as good as the original palette. I hope I can try to do a look with this and make it rock, because whenever I saw the subculture, I really wanted to get it, but then I saw the reviews and I was like, I'd rather save that money. Our next palette that I'm going to be showing you guys is this Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. The packaging is so cute. It's just so freaking cute. The only thing that I hate is how hard it is to like open it. Ugh. I think that's with any cardboard packaging. I hate it. I hate any cardboard. I even feel like sometimes my cuticles get hurt by trying to get a freaking palette out. I hate that. Hate that. I really honestly wish they would have kept the same packaging design that they had for the Huda Beauty, the rose gold edition. The slit, like you can just slide it in there. Oh my god, this is the best thing. I don't know why. I mean, the package is cute, but I would have really appreciated to have a slit versus this. Yes, I know it can hold on there longer probably, but I really like this instead. Anyways, back to this. This baby is $65. Yes, it's so freaking expensive, but I mean, It's cardboard as well. This time they did add a mirror, which I really like. Although I didn't mind to have the open clear plastic thing it had. And then it comes with this little divider, whatever you want to call it, little slit. It's cute. And then it comes with these beautiful shades, and they are so gorgeous, which I cannot wait until I show you guys a look with this palette. I'm very freaking hyped about this one. It comes with 18 shades, so it comes the exact same as the other one. It's black, very luxurious cardboard, I would say. It does not feel cheap whatsoever. I know a lot of people are hyped about Huda Beauty palettes, so I did get the Athena Bad Habit 18 eyeshadow collection, and this is from Hush too. So girl, this was only $12. So this is $65 and this is $12. So if you're on a budget, girl, there's nothing wrong with getting a freaking Hush palette, and then later on you can save up and get the real jazz. Anyways, let's open up this bad baby. It comes with a mirror as well. When you open it, the cardboard feels I want to say this one's just a little heavy, or just about the same. I don't know. Yeah, I think this one's a little bit more heavy, but for the most part, if you look at the design, they pretty much look the same. Like, I don't know, they pretty much look the same. This one's an ombre effect with gold embellishments. And then it has the mirror. It has your 18 shades. If you compare them side to side, they are pretty much the exact same. Yes, they're scattered around, same colors, same color range. I am going to be doing a comparison in between one and the other. Keep an eye on that one too, because that one's going to be a good one too. I also did get the Huda Beauty, the Rose Gold Edition, and I got this one for my mom. I think I'm gonna give it to my mom. I already have it, but pretty much it's the exact same. They have this palette too. It's $12 as well. Let me not forget to tell you guys how fast the shipment was. I honestly expected to wait probably like, I don't know. I honestly was thinking maybe 2 weeks to 3 weeks that I was going to be receiving these palettes. These palettes came in a week or less than a week. I can't exactly remember, but dude, this is, you get fast shipment, you get a good price, you get, well, I have not tried out the quality, but I think they should have a good quality. We'll be testing that out. So this one and the Retro Love are $10. These two are $10. And these two were $12. The Athena one. So these two are $12, which is not a bad price if we think about the original product. Which, once again, the credit is due to the original people. But when we're on a budget, we gotta compromise and think a little smart. FELLIN myself. Okay, so this is the OFRA FELLIN, get that straight, okay? FELLIN myself. And it comes with a trio package of highlighters. Okay, so that's Rodeo Drive. This is Pillow Talk. And then we have Blissful over here, which Rodeo Drive is more of a gold highlighter. Blissful is going to be more of that pink purple type of highlighter, and then Blissful is that, I want to say like champagne. It's a little bit more bronzed highlighter. It comes in a cardboard, which I don't know if I honestly don't know how I feel. Like, it's black, but it's that black, it's matte, but I feel like it can like literally, it's pretty much just the same as this. So it's gonna be the exact same result. You're gonna get it dirty like this. 1, 2, 3, it's dirty. So I don't know. I don't know. I really don't like that packaging, to be honest. Okay, so another thing that I did purchase was the Morphe sponge, and you guys saw me use it in my last tutorial. I did like it, but I feel like, I don't know, I'm so used to my Morphe M439 brush. I love this. I love this. I own 3 brushes, and I also like to go in with my Y6 brush from Morphe, the Gold Collection. Talking about brushes, I bought this little bad boy too, and it's the Morphe, the JACLYN Hill collection. It's I think it was $150 or something like that. I'll put the price up. It comes with 23 brushes. I did add this to mine. It's the Y6, so in total I got 24 brushes right here. I love the packaging. It's so beautiful, and it's definitely worth the money. Now, it comes with blending brushes. It comes with fat brushes, and you have everything, like, and they feel so like. I have a question for those people who hate on Morphe and that say that their brushes, like, they come all defective. Like, I own probably about 50 brushes from Morphe, and none of them have came out to be either loose, broken, or whatsoever. And I washed them, and, like, I don't know, none of them for reals have ever came out to be hair falling off or anything that I hear and I've seen reviews on. I'm like, I've never had that issue. So I don't know. Are they just hating? With these, yes, but that's because they're not synthetic. We'll be having more shed than any synthetic, but I think with the synthetic brushes, I've never had to deal with that issue. They're very good brushes. I don't know. I recommend them for you if you're just starting off. Honestly, I started off with only like 5 brushes, so 5 brushes can get you somewhere. And they were from either from Elf, they were from Walgreens, they were from, what else? I don't know, from Wish. Yeah, they were from freaking Wish. I got them for my birthday. My tia had got them for me. And you know, you can start off like that too, you know. But these brushes are honestly very good. Very inexpensive when you think about it. And you save up. And you have money. Anyways, you guys, that's pretty much it. These are things that you need to be appreciated. I've gotten palettes for my aunts. I've gotten palettes for my thing. I've bought myself some things. And some of them, oh yeah, at the beginning I started using some of my sisters. We would share palettes actually. So we would share one thing with another. But you know what? Life is hard, and we all start from the bottom and we build ourselves up. So never give up, and I haven't given up on myself, so you don't give up on yourself either. So, you know, that's how we rollin'. Okay, you guys, on that note, I will let you guys go to sleep or continue your daily routine or whatever you're doing right now. So you guys have a good day, good night. I love you guys so much, and until next time. Oh, you guys, please don't let's just stop this right now. Stop. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to turn on that bell notification so you are updated whenever I post a video. I am trying to post more often,